students. So today we will discuss about the second unit of second chapter, that is unit 2, speed and velocity. So at first we need to know what is speed, is not it? So suppose a train is moving with a very high speed, okay, or in a race competition we can compare the speed between two men. Suppose the we can see that a man is moving more faster than another man, is not it? And we all know that Usain Bolt has high speed in a race competition, is not it? So what is speed actually? So speed is actually the rate of change of motion. So actually speed is calculated as distance covered by any object moving object per unit time, okay. So suppose if I say that a train has speed equals to 30 km per hour, that means the train is moving with a 30 km per hour speed, is not it? That means the train is covering 30 km distance in 1 hour, is not it? So we can say that the speed is distance covered by an object by time in which the distance is covered by the object, okay. And what is the definition of speed? The rate of change of motion is called speed, okay. So if v is the speed and s is the distance covered by the object and t is the time taken, then v, that means speed, is equals to distance covered by means s by t means time, is not it? And now what is the unit of speed? So unit of speed is equals to from this equation we can say that v equals to s by t. That means the speed of the unit of speed is equals to unit of distance by unit of time, is not it? And we know that the SI unit of distance is actually meter, is not it? And the SI unit of time is second. So the SI unit of speed is meter per second, okay. Now we will discuss about kinds of speed. So one is uniform speed, another is non-uniform speed or variable speed, okay. So what is uniform speed actually? Suppose you are going to a picnic, okay, and your bus is moving with a constant speed, suppose 30 km per hour. That means in the first hour also it is covering 30 km distance, and in the second hour also it is covering 30 km distance, and in the third hour also it is covering 30 km distance. So in a specific time it is covering a specific distance, is not it? So this kind of speed is actually uniform speed. So what is the definition of uniform speed? When a body covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, the body is said to be moving with a uniform speed, okay. So what is non-uniform speed? So suppose you are going to the picnic and your bus is covering 30 km in first hour, and in the second hour it is covering 20 km distance, and in the third hour it is covering 10 km distance. So the distance covered per hour is different, is not it? For the first hour it is 30 km, and for the second hour it is 20 km, and for the third hour it is 10 km. So the distance covered is different, is not it? So this kind of speed is actually non-uniform or variable speed. So what is the definition of variable speed? When a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, the body is said to be moving with a non-uniform or variable speed, okay. So now we will discuss about average speed. So what is average speed? We need to consider the term average speed in case of non-uniform speed, okay. Suppose you are moving with a constant speed 30 km per hour, then it is not required to calculate your average speed, okay. But in case of non-uniform speed, suppose you are going to a picnic and your bus is moving 30 km in first hour, and in the second hour it is covering 20 km distance, and in the third hour it is covering 10 km distance. So the distance covered per unit time is different, is not it? So we need to calculate the average speed of the bus, okay, in this case. So how we will calculate the average speed of the bus? So we can calculate the average speed of the bus by the total distance covered by total time taken to cover the distance, by this formula, okay. So average speed is equals to total distance covered by total time taken to cover the distance. So you are covering 30 km distance in the first hour, and in the second hour the bus is covering 20 km distance, and in the third hour the bus is covering 10 km distance. So total distance covered is 30 plus 20 plus 10, and the total time is 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour, that means 3 hour. So 30 plus 20 plus 10 means 60 km by 3 hour. So the average speed will be 60 by 3, so that is 20 km per hour. So in this case, that means in case of non-uniform speed, we need to calculate the average speed. Okay, so what is the definition of average speed? The average distance covered by a moving body per unit time when the body is moving with a variable speed is called its average speed. Okay, this is the definition of average speed.